Dollar slips to 5-week low as US jobs data looms amid political turmoil. The US dollar weakened to its lowest level since late July on Monday as global investors braced for critical labor market indicators that could shape the Federal Reserve's monetary policy trajectory. The greenback measured against a basket of major currencies eased 0.22% to 97.64 after briefly touching 97.55. The decline follows a 2.2% monthly drop in August as market increasingly anticipated 25 basis point rate cut in September and up to 100 bps of easing by 2026 according to CME's FedWatch 2. Investors' focus is firmly on Friday's non-farm payrolls report, preceded by job openings and private payroll data. Economists suggest that the US economy is no longer outperforming global peers, and any further signs of labor market weakness could strengthen the case for Fed rate cuts. The political climate added volatility. A recent US court ruling deemed much of former President Trump's tariff program unlawful, while his escalating efforts to dismiss Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook have reignited concerns over Fed independence. Analysts warn of fiscal dominance, a scenario where political influence pressures the central bank to ease policy despite rising inflation risk. Meanwhile, the euro advanced 0.35% to $1.1724 and sterling gained 0.18% to $1.3528, while the yen remains steady at 147 per dollar. The Chinese yuan held firm near a 10-month high, supported by central intervention and resilient equity market despite China's uneven manufacturing recovery. As global markets weigh Washington's policy path, analysts caution that the dollar's trajectory will remain highly sensitive to both US economic data and the White House's deepening confrontation with the Fed.